Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we'll show you exactly how to pin a program to Taskbar on Windows 11, making your favorite apps easy to access. Now let's get started. Step 1. Locate the program or file you want to pin, then right-click on it to open the context menu. This helps you access quick options for managing the program. Step 2. From the menu that appears, select Show More Options to open the classic context menu. This is important because Windows 11 hides some traditional options in the simplified menu. Step 3. In the expanded menu, click on Pin to Taskbar to keep the program readily accessible at the bottom of your screen. This lets you launch it quickly anytime without searching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.